cooperation, and prepare the patient psychologically. Some students will fail to mention that. Okay, secure the equipment in a CSR. Okay, secured already, so make sure that it will be complete. Obtain baseline vital signs. Why do you think so? Okay, for comparison later on if there is any untoward reaction with the patient. Screen the patient. So, you have to get the, you imagine, do you have a very good imagination? Can you imagine that I understand this situation. Okay, so you have to screen the patient using the grade. Okay, to provide the patient privacy and to avoid distraction. And move patient to the near side to you. Okay, near side of bed, nearest to you. Ma'am, kilala kay patient? Okay. Have the client empty the bladder bed or forget that. Why? Okay, to avoid interaction, forceful procedure. Of course, the patient will also be comfortable. Okay. Place the client in the sideline position, instruct to arm the lumbar segment of his back, and draw up his knees to his abdomen, clasping his knees with his hands and his chin touching the chest. Correct? Fetal position, no? Ang gagalupan. So, sorry kaya natong Barbie doll, it's not that flexible or pliable. Okay. Make sure that the knees will touch the chin as much as possible. Okay? For this client, have the client straddle a straight back chair, facing the back, and rest his head against his arms, okay, with his folded on the back of the chair, which are folded in the back of the chair. So at least make your back arc a bit. Mag-arc siya. Okay. To provide greater spacing of your vertebra. So ma-stretch the thing. Pedia patient or child, the child may be held across the front of the nurse, legs secured with one arm and head and arms secured with the other. So the legs of the child will be apart. Okay, infant, the very young infant may be placed in sitting position with his head allowed to fall forward, thus arcing his back. The nurse holds his head and feet and steadies his body with her hands. Okay, so step 6, can I ask somebody to read it for us? Okay, Daksha na magkatulog na. Palmes, go. Read it out loud so everybody can hear you. Pisohex, followed by sterile water, then dry. Pisohex, nakataman. Ano na ba ang robot kayo? Maguna-una na ba niyo? Pisohex, then sterile water, and sometimes in the ward, they will not anymore use the sterile water. Just Pisohex and betadine, right, ma'am? And then dry. So expose the back, of course. You cannot disinfect the area if you will not expose the back. That will be slightly above you have your sacrum. Do you know where your sacrum is? Okay. The bone in your buttocks. Okay, and then slightly above it, that would be the area. Okay, your lumbar area. Disinfect area using cotton balls with Physohex and sterile water and dry. So sa ato is Physohex and then betadine. Okay. Paint with betadine solution, cover area with sterile drape using towel by using picking forceps if doctor is not yet ready. So, we have our kami po doctor yan. Pwede si magdublado ang doctor. Dati mo sabihin ng nurse. Hindi kaya. So, ideally, since our equipment are there, dapat dito down the side, but you cannot see anymore the back of the client.
You have to cover the area.
Katungurag na ay ko, ano, katungurag eye sheet. Ano pa isa? Wala pa man ang doctor. Okay. Okay? Open trays aseptically and place within physician's reach. So it's open already. Prepare gloves for the physician. Gloves, ma'am, for the physician. Provide stool. Sino lang kayo? Strict talaga na itong stool. Assist the physician throughout the procedure. Do not leave the physician to answer your cell phone or whatever. In maintaining client's position by supporting behind the knees and the neck of the client. Assist the physician as necessary. Putting on the gloves, anesthetizing the area. Where's your anesthesia? So, what the nurse would do is to offer the anesthesia to the doctor. Remember that the doctor is considered sterile already. So, the doctor, it will be the doctor who will grab the syringe. Pag wala sa ako, Doc, ha? Okay, now, so you pick up now your syringe.